say for it is I'm here, and he pulls the knife. Am I defending him? No. Running away. Right? Like I have enough reactionary use cases that I'm just like, I'm not gonna pull the knife. Like Alex way, right? No, I'm gone. I'm like absolutely gone.
I would
Or,
be surprised.
yeah, or I have like a desk or a chair or a kitchen table or something. I put something between us, right? Hands down, that's my first, right? I pick up a chair and use that as a barrier. That was brought up by somebody. 100%, right? Pick up something that creates absolutely is the best thing to do, right? So I guess I should have prefaced this. Like the only time I'm doing this is if I'm like I'm here and it happens and I can't get away, right? I gotta do something or get hurt, right? Everybody agrees with that, right? Yeah. Like with the knife, I'm either all the way in or I'm all the way out, right? There's no really in between, right? Which is kind of a commonality in self-defense, anyways. But yeah, like I'm out there, right? Same with like the gun, like if I'm way over here and somebody pulls the gun, you're like, who's gun? Like, you messed up. Like, no, okay, shut up. Right? So it's only close quarter, right, that I'm moving to this stuff. Otherwise, I'm backing up. Hey, that is what I'm taking space because I already have the reactor space, right? By no means is anybody a superhero here. Hopefully not. Being like, oh, knife. Okay, well, you messed up, pal, and then I'm gonna engage in that fight. No, I'm out of there. Gone. Or I'm going to be out of distance if my job depicts that and use my secondary weapons at that point, right? I have the space to make it. I have a taser. Okay, yeah, the taser's coming out. Pepper spray. I don't know why I'm doing crazy stuff. But use it and cool, right? I hate it. I hate it. I tell guys to put it away all the time, but then bring it up. Okay. But anyways, so what I'm saying is that's where that like. But this is when we're here and there's no other choice, or I'm in that elevator, or I'm in that stairwell, or I'm in the parking lot and that's the car. That's like that's what this happens. Okay, does that make sense to everybody? Okay.
Yes.
Cool. So everybody did a great job, by the way, with like what we were working with. So that's great. So that it would make sense. Now, are there failures to it? Are you know, if I block the first one, is it going to change the angle, right? Like boom, and then you change the angle. Yeah. My principle being, I want you guys to take away from this, is that the principle is that it has to be 2-on-1 control of weapon. If you forget everything else, that's what I want you to remember. Alright, 2-on-1 control of weapon. So if it changes that path of flight, right? We got this like we call it 360 outside defense, right? So 360 degrees around your body. Is I'm either going low, out, or around for all those other stab wounds. I'm not gonna cover all that because it'll be information overload. I'm just going to the most common ones that we see. But that's the goal, is that if it changes, just remember 2-on-1 on the weapon barrel limb and combatives, literally, right? And again, it's not like it has to be a knee or a kick or this. It doesn't matter, just do something, right? So if it changes from what we just did, right? Just to here and change that block, boom, right away, right? Now I'm going to grab the head, boom. And now I go back to this though. All the time. Okay, this to me, this is the only thing that does not change, is this for the end. Okay? Because I'm not disarming, I'm not fighting the knife, right? I'm fighting the person working that knife. I don't care about the knife, because there's lots of guys that tape shit to their hands, right? They tape knives. They can tape it from me, right? And I'm not like shoot because they want to get shot by something, right? Drop the knife, no. And then you see like the wood of the table, right? And then we have to deal with that. If it happens, be surprised. So that's what I'm saying. So get it out of your head. Like, what if I get that knife away? I gotta get that knife away. No, I gotta work the hand. I gotta work the arm. I gotta stop that. Alright? Does that make sense to everybody?
Yeah.
Right. No reason when and where and why we're fighting the knife. Like, that's there too. So here's how I do it. Alright? And people that I don't do it is that all the same steps that we did before. So strike comes in. Grab, push in, work my way to that 2-on-1 here. Now this foot here, right where I was talking about, this is going to allow me to use like most of my body weight to do the sprawl. When it's here, I create something gonna. A trained person is probably going to pick up on that and see that leg there and attack my leg, right? It's going to come under, behind and start breaking my base. Okay, does everybody see that? So if I turn this way, if I keep my inside foot here, and he's gonna start working around this and like messing up my base, don't wanna have that. That's happening. Plus, if it's here and here, I don't get the same leverage drop as I do here. You saw Rob's position there. So if I'm here and I push, like, yeah, it's good. Here and I push is different, right? I'm gonna get that drop, so I need that, right? Once I do that, the disarm is only gonna happen when I take them to the ground, right? And again, I'm the one that's taking the ground, and they're not gonna go to the ground until they're severely hurt. Right? I'm not even thinking about that takedown until they're like drooling, basically, right? So we've done all that thing, we've transitioned to the hug arm bar, I get down. This is where I'm like hitting. At this point, if I need to go here, I'm hitting, headbutts, whatever it takes, okay? Enough to soften them up that now when I go for that takedown, I walk out, and I keep it here. I tend to do this. There's all kinds of different variations, so I'm not gonna challenge you if you're like, oh, that's not the way, that's not how I operate. But what I'm gonna tell you is that this knee, again, I'm trying to put a lot of pressure on opposite first. Come on over here if you can see. Just so that I don't have to keep doing this for Rob. But my knee comes across the shoulder here, right? This is in between, so I'm pushing down and pushing in, so I'm attacking here and here. Boom, right? From here, that's when I can take, right? And I grab the blade and I push against the way this hand works. Okay, don't take it. We used to have guys that do that all the time. Like, yeah, thought the guy was great. But he always used to do this, like, yeah, wham! And then walk away, like, don't let me do that. Alright, just take it and get it. Alright. So one more time. Everybody understands the get to here. Once I have here, like this is a strike, right? Like I'm down and grab. I'm hitting with my shoulder. And I'm dropping this back. So he starts going good. See how I changed my hand though once he started going down? As soon as he's going down, because otherwise I'm stuck like this, right? I don't want that. So I have to change my hand position to over top, and then I step on top here, all right? I don't mess around with this. Now if he starts pulling the arm, again, I just break. Yeah, sorry.
No, I'm just saying, I can't.
Okay, yeah. It's hard for him to do it, but if he really wants to, like, we'll go that route. All right, again, I can sit here if I want. But here, that's my take. If I can, right? It's tape, yeah. I was gonna pull it, right? Then I just smash. And I call it on people, right? From here to there, again, back out. So, the best part about that position, you don't need to lay back. Actually, yeah, lay back. I'm not gonna put pressure on you. But from here, if his buddy's walking in, everybody can agree that I can see all around, right? That's the goal, right? This, no. Yeah, right, I get swept or whatever. Plus, I can't see behind me, right? I gotta stay mobile at all times. So here I can disengage if I bring him up. If something's bad or not right, I can get away. I'm not entwined with him or intertwined with him, all right? Now, second one is why the foot placement is the way it is. As opposed to here, or here, whatever. If it's here, and I go here, and he's a big guy, and he starts posturing up, I go backwards. Okay? So I follow the pressure of what they give me. My goal is to get them belly down, because it's harder for them to attack that way. But if they're like, and trying to press up, cool, they've already given me the momentum, I take it. And then drop down that way. Then I control the knife into their body that way, and then I hold. Right? Yeah, 100%. Where I go to get dropped, and the knife's right here. Sweet. Okay? So, let's practice that with your partners. 1-1, do the whole thing though, right? Block, 2-1 transition here. Then go to the takedown, walk in, shoulder pressure, elbow pressure, take it away. Alright? Alright, let's do it.